Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to turn off the mini pop-up formatting toolbar when selecting text in Microsoft Word. This instantly stops that annoying little font menu from blocking your view every single time you highlight a word or paragraph. First, open Microsoft Word. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the General tab located at the very top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very first section right at the top, headed User Interface Options. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Show Mini Toolbar on selection. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely kill the automatic pop-up toolbar engine. Drop down to the bottom of the main options window and click the OK button to lock your new preferences into the system core. And that's it. Your clean, distraction-free text selection layout is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.